Where are you from? Okay, done. Guys, in case like today due to some internet issues, I just connected to my mobile hotspot. Okay, so in case if you feel my audio is not clear or it's breaking, please let me know. I'll do arrangements, alternatives I'll go for. Okay, please let me know immediately. Fine, guys, is it clear? And one more thing is the classes should be interactive, guys. I don't like. Okay, I'm keep on talking like. Okay, so the only one person like a speaker, he's keep on talking and you're simply listening. I don't like that kind of system. So what we can do, it should be interactive, guys. Okay, it's kind of talking each other. So I'll ask you questions. You have to respond, guys. It's very important. Why? Because you have to improve your skills from day one onwards. Why? Because when you go to the interview, okay, you are going to keep 4 years of experience, 3 years of experience, 5 years of experience. So if you are unable to open your mouth, it will be difficult, guys. And don't think if you are opening the mouth now, you can open the mouth in the interview. Okay, if you are trying to practice from day one onwards, it will help you, guys. Okay, so please try to be interactive. Whenever I'm asking any questions, general questions, technical questions, please try to participate, guys. From day one onwards, you should be interactive. It's very important. And one more thing in the IT industry is you should be confident, guys. Right or wrong, you should be confident. Okay, if you are not confident, we cannot clear the interviews. So from day one onwards, this course not only is going to build you the technical knowledge, this course also helps you to build the confidence and all, guys. Okay, yes, Sai. Okay, thank you, Sai. Right, so again I'm saying interactive. You should be interactive, guys. Okay, whenever I'm asking the questions, please try to respond immediately. Right, clear, guys? Anyone having any questions, any doubts, let me know. Otherwise we'll jump into the session, guys. No questions? Done. Okay, guys. So let's jump into the topics. Right. So today onwards, we are all one family, guys. We are going to learn, okay, SQL Server DBA, right? We are here to learn SQL Server DBA, guys. Okay. So what is the SQL Server DBA? Where we are going to use, okay, what is the course duration, when we will connect. So everything regarding the course we'll discuss, guys. Okay, everything regarding the course we'll discuss. Today I don't want to jump into the technical side. Today we'll explain completely about the course, how the course will be, how the 2 months journey will be, what kind of things we are going to learn, okay, and how we are going to build confidence in our build confidence, okay, and recordings and all, classes, okay, notes, preparation, how to prepare, everything we'll discuss about the course we are going to discuss today, guys. Okay, tomorrow onwards we'll slowly jump into the classes, right? So you know, right, SQL Server DBA. So why we are here today, guys? We are going to discuss SQL Server DBA for the next 1.5 month or 2 months, depends upon the okay topics and all, right? So what is SQL Server DBA? Can anyone tell me what is, first of all, what is SQL Server? What is an SQL Server software? Can anyone tell me? Just that's what I said. You should be interactive. Whatever you know, just tell me. Not an issue, guys. We're all family members. You don't hesitate to talk with your mother, right? You don't hesitate to talk with your brother, right? So please continue. Whatever you know, just let me know. What is SQL Server? Anyone can answer.
Yeah, it's a structured query data
Structured
to
query
retrieve
language.
the
Guys, is my audio clear or is it breaking like this?
your audio is very good.
Yeah,
Audible.
okay.
No
That's
problem.
that's fine. That's fine. Okay. So yeah, someone is saying SQL is a structured query language. Someone is saying SQL Server is a database software, right? Correct. You're all correct, guys. SQL Server, okay, is a database software. It's a software, guys. It's a database software. Okay. So this is just very basic, very little introduction about the SQL Server. What is SQL Server? What it will do? What are the features of the SQL Server? Okay. So all these things you will get to know at the end of the course. Okay. This is just little introduction about the SQL Server, guys. SQL Server is a database software. We are going to use this software to store the data, to process the data, to retrieve the data, guys. To retrieve the data. So SQL Server is a RDBMS software. What is meant by RDBMS and all, I'll tell you guys. Nothing to worry. Okay. Slowly you'll came to know what is this RDBMS software. A relational database management system. RDBMS means a relational database management system, guys. Okay. So SQL Server is an RDBMS software, or you can call it as a database software. We are going to use the SQL Server to store the data, to process the data, to retrieve the data, guys. To retrieve the data. Okay, so this is a database technology. It's a completely database technology, guys, and of course it's a GUI, graphical user interface. Okay, you know, right? Graphical user interface means how you are accessing your laptop. Okay, how you are accessing your mobile phone. In the same way, everything will be graphical, guys. I want to create new folder on the desktop. How can I create? Right click, new. I'll create new folder. Okay, I'll create new folder, batch 43. If you want to do same thing in the Linux operating systems, this is Windows operating system, right? If you want to do same thing on the Linux operating system, you have to write a query, guys. Command you have to write. Of course, here also, when you are doing like this, right click new folder, when you are trying to create a folder, actually Windows operating system, this operating system don't understand the graphical user interface. Okay, whatever we are doing, the actions at the end of the day, it will be converted into command, guys. Okay, that command will execute and it will create this folder, but we don't know the command, right? What command to create the folder and all. This GUI will help us to create that command, guys. Okay, so SQL Server is a completely graphical user interface software. Okay, you will love it. Everything you can do it easily, but the thing is you have to practice, of course. Okay, so SQL Server is an RDBMS software where we are going to use to store the data, to process the data, to retrieve the data. It's a database software, guys. It's a database software. So everyone knows the importance of the database, right? I hope. Without database, no application will work, right? Database should be there for any application. The applications that you are using in your mobile phone, WhatsApp, phone pay, Google Pay, okay, Zomato, right, net banking, IRCTC, any application, guys, any application. If you go to the bank, they will use some internal applications, that applications also, Facebook, whatever applications it is. Okay, there should be a database in the backend, guys. Without database, there is no software, there is no application, guys. Okay, whatever data you are trying to pull, the data we are getting from a database. So SQL Server is also a database software, guys. Okay, so let me tell you one flow, a three-tier architecture. What is this three-tier architecture? Where we are going to use it? I'll show you, guys. Let me open this three-tier architecture. You will get a basic idea what is SQL Server. Okay, you will get a basic idea, guys. What is SQL Server and all we'll discuss. Right. So when you open any application, guys, tell me any application name, one application name, guys. Tell me one application name.
Amazon.
Amazon, very good. Okay, so let's go with Amazon. Regularly, we are going to discuss on the Amazon only. Let's go with Amazon. If you want to open Amazon, you will open the browser, right? First, without opening browser, I cannot open Amazon, right? So let's open the browser. Let's open Amazon.in, guys.
Yes.
Amazon.in, right? So when I open Amazon.in, you can see Amazon application home screen will come, guys. Amazon application home screen will come. If you see here, this is your application, guys. This is your application. I want to buy one product. Imagine I want to buy one product. So this product information, if I click on any product, imagine I just want to buy this gold coin, 2 grams gold coin I want to buy. Okay, so if I want to buy this 2 grams gold coin, I have to click on that product. So when I clicked on that product, you can see lot of information about this gold coin, guys. Okay, the gold coin name, ratings, price of the gold coin, in case of any offers that offers, and to which address I have to deliver this coin, and what are the features of that particular coin, what are the specifications of that coin, how many days it is going to deliver to your location. Lot of data will be there, right? Lot of information will be there. So where this data will be stored, guys? Can anyone tell me where this data will be
In
stored?
database.
In database only, guys. Any information, application is just, yes, correct. Application is just an interface between you and the database, guys. Application can't store the data. Application can't store the data. Listen carefully. This application, whenever you open any application, sir, what is the application? First of all, tell me, sir. Anything that is fulfilling your requirements is an application. You want to transfer the money, you will use Google GPay application or Google Pay application. You want to chat with your friends, you are going to use WhatsApp, that is an application. Anything which is fulfilling your requirements, you can call it as an application. You want to buy something so that you can use Amazon or Flipkart, that is an application. You want to deposit some money, you will go to the bank people will open their application in their computers and they will pull your details, okay, and they are going to take the money and they are going to deposit into your account. That is an application. Anything which is fulfilling your requirements, you can call it as an application, guys. Anything in your phone, you are using, almost everyone is using 20 apps, 30 apps, 40 apps, depends upon your requirements. Lot of apps. For food delivery, you are using different apps. For money transfer, you are using different apps. For charting purpose, you are using different apps. For taking booking tickets, you are using different apps. So that is your requirement. You want to book a ticket, that is your requirement. For that, there is an app. You just install that application and you are using that application. Anything which is fulfilling your requirement, you can call it as an application. But guys, the application cannot store the data, guys. The application can't store the data. It will act as a mediator between you means user, between you means user, and the database. We cannot directly communicate with the database. Why? Because database don't know GUI language. Database only knows query language. Database only knows query. Database only knows command. So which command you are going to? I want to buy one 2 grams gold coin, right? So for this, I want to buy this Oppo 74. Which command you are going to write? Okay, which command you are going to write to pull this Oppo 74 information? You don't know, right? We don't know any command. So your interface, whatever application is there, your interface will help us to prepare that command, guys. When I clicked on this phone, why I am getting the phone information, guys? Why I am not getting the gold coin information? When I click on the gold coin, I am getting gold coin information. When I click on the phone, I am getting phone information. That means every click has its own meaning, right? Agree? Agree, guys? Every click has its own meaning. Correct, guys? Means if you click here, one product will open. If you click here, another product will open. If you click here, another product will open. Means where you are clicking, based on that, your information is also changing, guys. Your output is also changing. Okay, so what is an application? Application is an interface between the user. User means those who are using. You are using Amazon, you are a user. You are using Flipkart, you are a user. You are using Google Pay, you are a user. It is an interface between you and the database, guys. How this flow will goes? How this, okay, network flow will goes, guys? Let me show you this diagram. You will get an idea. So this is your browser. This is your browser, guys. You just opened Internet Explorer or Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox or tell me, guys, other browsers. Any other browsers we have?
Internet Explorer.
Sorry,
Opera.
Internet Explorer,
Internet
Edge,
Explorer.
Opera, Firefox. Like lot of browsers are there, right? So when you open the browser, I want to open amazon.in. Once you open the browser, what you are going to do, guys, you will type www.amazon.in. Guys, I know there are some professionals in this group, okay, in our batch. So this might be a silly things for you, but again, there are so many non-technical people are there, so I have to explain from very basics. If you know these things, I'm so sorry. Okay, so you want to correct me, if you want to correct me, you can correct me, guys. Otherwise, if you already know these things and all, okay, just bear with me for the next 1 2 classes. Okay, why? Because we are going from very basics like ABCD onwards. Okay, so if you know the things, please don't hesitate. Okay, you can just listen for the next 1 to 2 days, guys. Okay, so when you open the browser, what you are going to do, guys, you are going to just type amazon.in, www.amazon.in or amazon.com. Once you just typed amazon.in, a request, okay, a request will goes to Amazon servers, guys. It will directly connect to Amazon servers. First it will touch the Amazon web server. This is called three-tier architecture, guys. Every application will support this three-tier architecture, means each and every application will run based on this three-tier architecture. So when you just type www.amazon.in, actually, okay, this amazon.in will be converted into IP address, guys. Okay, this amazon.in will be converted into IP address. Okay, IP address name. What is name? Your domain name, guys. Domain name will be converted into IP address. Like, guys, you are using the phones, right? You want to call someone. Okay, what you are going to do, you will open contacts and you will simply select the contact and you will simply select the sim. Automatically the call will goes. It's not necessary to remember the number, right? Simply, if you remember the contact name, you will simply click on the contact. Okay, when you click on contact daddy, imagine in your phone book daddy. In everyone's phone, daddy contact will be there, guys. When you click on daddy, why it is going to your daddy only? Why? Because in the back end, your daddy name is attached with one number. So when you're calling your daddy, automatically that number is going to ring, guys. In the same way, each and every domain will have its own IP address. Okay, so when you just type this amazon.in, automatically that IP address will be pinged and it will be connected to that Amazon, guys. Who is going to take care of all these responsibilities? Your web server will take care of it, guys. Okay, so when you open amazon.in, so simply it will go to Amazon servers. First it will touch web server, guys. It will touch web server. Your request will touch the web server. Then from web server to application server, it will go, guys, and then only you can see this website. Okay, this website and all this application, you are getting this output because of the Amazon application servers, guys. Amazon application servers, right? Next, so when you just click on that, after that what will happen, guys? Application will open. If you click on any product, the request will goes to the database server, guys. The request will goes to the database servers. If you are clicking on any of these products, okay, you want to click on this product, guys. What is this? Chalo, let's go with, okay, Bluetooth speaker. Let's go with Bluetooth speaker. So when I click on that Bluetooth speaker, automatically you are able to get the information about the Bluetooth speaker, guys. Means from application server, the request is going to the database server. Okay, in database, this is the database, guys. This is the database. You can see at the back end, you can see the database, right? In this database, lot of products will be there. Lot of products will be there. You can see products about the phones, okay, speakers, TVs, refrigerators, ACs, whatever, what not, you know, right? Amazon, Flipkart, how many products they are going to sell. Every information will be there in the databases only. So when you click on that product, automatically in these crores of product, how we are getting only a single product information, guys, right? There will be one query run, guys, in the back end. On the database server, one query will run. I'll tell you what is that query and all. One query will run. Okay, that query will pull the results. Okay, and whenever you run any query on the database, you will get an output, right? That output, database server will send it to the application server will send it to the web server will send it to your browser, guys. Web server will send it to your browser. Then only you can see the product. Okay, then only you can see the product. Means whenever I am clicking on any product, okay, whenever I am clicking on any product, guys, automatically in the back end, for each product, okay, for each product, one query will run in the back end, and that query output you are able to pull, guys. That query output you can see. Simply you might think, okay, I'm just clicking on this product, right? So when you click on this product, how many actions are going on right in the backend? Can you tell me? When you click on any product, how many actions are going on in the backend? I'm just clicking on this product, okay? I'm able to get the information. But in the backend, how many actions are there? If you go to this three-tier architecture, when you click on any product, your browser will send it to the web server. Web server will send that request to the application server. Application server will send the request to the database server. On database, the query will run, the respective query will run. Then you will get an output. That output, it is going to send it to the application server. That application server will send the same output to the web server. Web server will send the same request to the browser, guys. In this way you can see the product information. Guys, one more request for all. Okay, the meeting is going to close for every 40 minutes, guys. Means in one more minute. I guess everyone can see the timer on your screen. Okay, for every 40 minutes the meeting will be closed automatically. Use the same meeting link. Click on the meeting link, save this meeting link on your desktop. Click on the meeting link, immediately you can join, guys. Automatically this meeting will be closed now. Okay, remember this point, whenever the meeting is closed automatically, click on the same meeting link, you can join immediately. Every 40 minutes the meeting is going to be closed automatically, guys. Clear? So let's close this and let's reopen the meeting link. Please join with the same meeting link, guys. We'll discuss further. Okay, please use the same meeting link. Yes.